In the Hindu calendar, there are 12 months. Each one has a god, each one has a purpose. But once every 32 months, a 13th month appears, and every god in the universe refuses to touch it. Each month earns its place because during it, the sun moves into a new Rashi. That movement is called Sankranti. It is a cosmic event that gives a month its identity. But this 13th month has no Sankranti. The sun does not move, nothing happens in the sky. The gods looked at this month and saw no purpose, no cosmic event to preside over, no reason to claim it. So none of them did. It was called the Mal Mas, the impure month. No wedding could take place in it. No sacred ceremony was allowed. The only month in the entire Hindu calendar rejected by everyone. No god would claim this month until God Vishnu stepped forward. He did something that no other god was willing to do. He claimed it as his own and gave it his highest name, Purushottam Mas, the name Vishnu uses for himself in the Bhagavad Gita. Purushottam, the supreme among all beings. And then he made a declaration. Every act of devotion performed in this one month will carry more merit than all other months combined. The month that no god wanted became the most sacred month in the entire Hindu calendar. And this month is about to begin. Adhika Mas 2026, 17th of May to 15th of June. This is why your Pandit will not give you a wedding date. This is why Raksha Bandhan and Diwali fall late this year. During this 30 days, all Kamya Karmas are paused. Kamya Karmas, actions driven by desire. Weddings, Griha Pravesh, new ventures, new beginnings. But Nishkama Karmas, selfless actions, carry more power in this month than in any other. Donate food and clothes. Light a diya and keep it burning. Chant the Vishnu Sahasranama. And if you observe even one Ekadashi during this Adhika Mas, the Padma Purana says its merit equals 100 yajnas. A month rejected by every god became sacred because one god chose to love it. That is Adhika Mas, and it starts on the 17th of May. Save this, share it with your family. Now they will know why their dates have shifted. If you enjoyed watching this video, follow Temple Girl for more stories like this.